2020 has not been a particularly easy year on any of us, and unfortunately one of those things that happens in the real estate industry is homes fall through escrow. However, we're able to put these homes on the market and be able to pass savings on to you. So today we are down in Cadence Master Plan Community touring a home that fell through escrow, but we're able to pass that savings on to you. So make sure you stick around because that tour of this Toll Brothers spec home is coming up next. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at builder model homes, existing inventory. Also, you don't have to make your next shopping experience for your home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met and you've never been here on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. In today's video, we are touring through a home that unfortunately fell through escrow, but we're able to pass on some savings to you through this. So the home itself is 2,276 square feet onto a single story plan. The plan itself is called the Pine Ridge and is built by Toll Brothers Home, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. I love the layout of this home, and the options chosen inside are absolutely gorgeous. So let's get out there and get this tour started. Come on. All right guys, welcome back out to Cadence in Henderson, Nevada. Today we are looking at a single story home that fell out of escrow, unfortunately. The home itself is 2,276 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms sitting on a 6,325 square foot lot. This home is priced at $544,995. As you can see, the front landscaping is done. Nice paver driveway, 3-car garage. Drip irrigation system to the front, which will be ran to the back for your convenience when you decide to complete the backyard. Really nice stonework on the entryway here. Covered to keep your guests dry as they're coming in. Beautiful front door with those frosted windows. Let's go ahead and head on inside. Alright guys, welcome inside. This model is called the Pine Ridge Plan. It is built by Toll Brothers Homes, so keep that in mind. Right to the left here, you're going to find the first bedroom as well as a full bathroom. This first bedroom that we're going in is about 11 by 11. The closet's off to the right there. Really nice natural light coming in through these windows. The Cadence Master Plan Community, located down in Henderson, is a really convenient community. It has a lot of parks as well as free Wi-Fi at all those parks. There are bikes that you can just take throughout, and they're free to use. The HOA is $40 a month, and there is no SID lid in here, so that actually keeps your costs down, gives you a little bit more buying power when you're buying in Cadence. This first full bathroom here, you got a shower tub combo there. Truly lovely countertop there with that nice stonework. Coming out into the main area now, you got an office right here. Personally, I would probably convert that to more of a formal dining room myself. It's completely up to you. If you were to have this house built from scratch, that would be an optional bedroom as well. That area is about 16.5 by 12. This great room, I feel, is very functionally laid out. You have the casual dining area right in front of the kitchen, which we're looking into now. Beautiful granite, which we're going to zoom in on, and I love that backsplash that they put in. It's absolutely gorgeous. They have a gourmet style kitchen in here with the double ovens. Mastercraft cabinetry up there, 2-tone. The island cabinetry is a little bit different color. You have the flat screen hookup. There's the 9-foot slider onto the covered patio, which we'll go out in here in just a little bit. The living room space is about 22 by 17, and the kitchen's about 18 by 11. Stainless steel appliances. You will need to add your own refrigerator. Cast iron 2-basin sink there. But back over here, I didn't expect this bedroom to be the way it is back over here. I thought it was going to be the laundry room, to be honest with you, but there's actually what I like to call a mini master over here. There is its own private full bathroom right here, as well as a walk-in closet. This bedroom is 12 by 11. There is porcelain tile throughout this home with the exception of the closets and the bedrooms. Those are going to be carpeted. And right there is a drop zone. So if you put in a desk or some cabinetry there, you'd have a nice spot to put your bag or your purse if you're coming home from work, coming home from the grocery store. Real nice sized pantry here. Got more than enough space to feed your entire household. Really wonderful sized laundry room here with the shelving up above. And then coming into the master suite, this bedroom is going to be about 16.5 by 15 roughly. Real big window there, letting in that natural light. And then the master bathroom and the walk-in closet here. I love how the master bathroom has the L shape rather than your traditional straight cabinetry. It adds really nice depth to the room, and to me it gave it a nice luxurious feel. The shower has custom tile in there. Really pretty. Very large 24-inch tiles in there with the honeycomb pattern on the floor. Adult size vanity with what I'm guessing is tinted marble. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Real nice texture to it. Walk-in closet there was about 11 by 7. Coming outside here, saw the flat screen hookup outside as well as the pavers. Look around the side over here. To be straight up honest with you, I thought these homes were a little close together. There is 5 feet between your house and the wall, and then another 5 feet from the neighbor's house and their wall, so there's only 10 feet between the houses. With Toll Brothers, I expected it to be a little bit wider, but it is not. The backyard, also, I would probably add blocks on these particular walls so you have a little bit more privacy from your neighbors rather than having your Tim the Toolman Taylor neighbor peering over the fence and chatting you up. But that's about going to wrap it up for this tour.
Well guys, what'd you think? Did you enjoy the Pine Ridge floor plan? Do you think it's really functional? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I want to hear some stories from you. What is the worst real estate experience you've ever had? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like the floor plan and you have the time for them to build your own home and you want to choose your own options, make sure you give me a call as well. I'd be happy to schedule an appointment with the builder and we can get out there and get the process started for you and your family. Being that this home is a quick move-in home, I know it's going to go pretty fast. So if you know anybody that's looking for a home like this, make sure you share this video over to them so they don't miss out on this opportunity. If there's anything else around the Las Vegas Valley, make sure you let me know. I'd be happy to get out there and film you doing the tour and feature you on my next upload. And as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.